Hi dear ladies, how are you all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so you all are fine and good. So in this video I'm going to share with you most demanding and trending ideas of summer wears crop top design ideas for ladies and girls. So in this video you will be find out more than 60 plus design ideas of short top design, short blouse design, crop top design ideas. You will be find out different colors, different styles, different designs, different fabric, different paints, amazing colors combinations, and amazing stitching ideas of short tops designs and blouse designs. So carry out these styles of crop top with jeans and skirts, very stylish and stunning ideas, beautiful collection, beautiful designs. So must watch this video till the end and don't skip any idea, don't skip any design. You will be find out chiffon fabric top designs, you will be find out net fabric designs, embroidery work styles, cotton fabric designs within different neck designs and different sleeve designing ideas. So if you are loving these designs, if you are loving these styles of crop top style design ideas for ladies and girls, so please dear ladies and girls, do support me by sharing my video with your friends, with your relatives. And if you are new on my channel, so please do also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. So after getting the notifications of my videos, you will never miss any idea, any collection, any design on my channel. I always try to bring YouTube videos and useful content for you on daily basis. So don't forget to tell me in the comment section how was this video, how was these designs of floral printed styles, embroidery work styles, crop top designs and short top design ideas for girls, for women, and which type of more collection you want to watch on my channel, which type of more videos will be useful for you, helpful for you. Tell me in the comment section. I really try my best to make my videos according to your opinion, so must share your opinion in the comment section. So for more amazing ideas, for more collection, for more designs, visit on my channel and check the other collection. I hope so those videos will also be useful for you, very helpful for you, and you will get new ideas and new designs of dresses from those videos. So must visit on my channel and check the other collection. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please keep visiting on my channel for more collection, for more ideas, for more designs, and don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. And goodbye dear ladies and girls, till the next video. See you soon with a new collection of ideas and design for you. So till then, take good care of yourselves and goodbye till the next video.